Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Preeti and today we will see basic of Java in which we will see architecture of Java, components of Java architecture which are JVM, JRE and JDK and the differences between them. So let's get started. Java architecture is a collection of three main components which are JVM, JRE and JDK which makes possible the process of interpretation and compilation. It means these three components are totally responsible for your whole execution of your Java code. Now, have you ever thought what exactly happens when you write a code and hit a run button? I also don't know. So let's see. Your source code get compiled using Java compiler into a bytecode. Your bytecode get converted into a machine code using Java virtual machine. And finally, that machine code get executed by operating system. Now we'll see what is a JVM. Java virtual machine. It is also called as Java runtime system, which is the heart of entire execution process of your Java program. Now, why? Why it is called as an heart of entire execution process of a Java program? The reason behind it is JVM manages the memory. All the variables, all the methods get managed using Java virtual machine. Your static variables, global variables, local variables, native methods, your local methods, everything is managed using Java virtual machine. Also, JVM provides you JIT. It is responsible for all interpretation process. It provides you a garbage collector. Again, it is used for memory management. Without JVM, you cannot run a single program. So, whenever you want to run Java program or any Java software, you need JVM installed in your system. Now we'll see what is a JRE. Java Runtime Environment. It is a part of JDK. Everyone knows that Java is a platform independent language. Also, it follows write once and run anywhere approach. So have you thought ever why how it is possible? Here it is. JRE makes it possible for you. With using this JRE, we can write program once and run it anywhere. It provides you an environment so that you can write a code once and run it anywhere. It acts as a translator and facilitator, providing all the resources so that once you write a software, you can run it on any operating system without any modification. It is a software distribution which has a Java class library, specific tools, and a standalone JVM. Yes, whenever you install JRE in your system, you'll get JVM installed inside your system. So now we'll see what is JDK. Java Development Kit is an essential component which is used to develop a software. It provides you tools by using which you can develop a software, you can develop applets and components using Java language. It is a code package used in Java along with JVM and JRE. So using JDK, you can write a software, you can run it, and it will provide you all files you needed. Now we'll see how it looks, like how these three components look together. Here it is. This is the whole architecture, or we can say visual presentation of how does it look. So this is JDK, which includes JRE, and in which you will find in JVM. So JDK provides you compiler, debugger, Java docs, key tools, whatever you need to develop any software. And in JRE, you will get JVM plus class libraries, which are necessary. So now we'll see what is the difference between these three components. As I told you that JDK is a Java development kit which provides you environment to run the program. Also, it provides you environment so that you can develop a software or a Java program. Whereas JRE is an installation package by using which you can only run program on your machine. Whereas JVM, it is a very important part of both of these components, JDK and JRE, because it is inbuilt in both of this. JDK will provide you two things, development tool and JRE, which is used to run your software, Java program, run your Java program or execute your Java program. Whereas JRE is only used at a end user. For example, I'm a software developer, you are a client. You want me to develop some application or a software. So I have done with the development and now you have to test it at your end. So in that case, you don't need a JDK to install your on your system. You just need JRE so that you can execute that software on your system or on your operating system. And in case of JVM, whatever you choose, either you want to develop a code or you want to run or execute that software, your code will always go through the JVM because it is used to execute your code line by line. And that is the reason why it is called as an interpreter. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching again. Keep learning, keep growing.